PT Gemilang Asia Sejahtera, also known as PT Gas, is a filling station and special transportation location for LPG or liquid petroleum gas. It is located in Wajak Hulu, Siantan, Pontianak, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. It was established on February 7, 2005 and was inaugurated by the Governor of West Kalimantan together with the General Manager of Marketing Unit 6 of PT Pertamina Limited, Balikpapan, on the 1st of July 2007. Working hand in hand with PT Pertamina, the Indonesian state-owned oil and gas company, PT Gas, while still a business-oriented entity, also supports the Indonesian government's policy of kerosene to LPG conversion, which focuses on the distribution of subsidized LPG to the public. We adhere to a vision of providing the best service assurance in terms of stock, in the tube quality, as well as in the retail price of LPG in West Kalimantan, as well as a mission to support the government's program of enabling people to easily obtain environmentally friendly fuel and to make it readily available on the market at an affordable price. PT Gas continues to provide services to the community, but challenges are always there.
Tantangan utama dalam pendistribusian LPG adalah faktor geografi dan keterbatasan infrastruktur lokal, serta membutuhkan investasi yang besar. Kami terus berinovasi demi kesediaan dan harga LPG yang lebih terjamin.
The natural geography of Kalimantan, which is cleaved by networks of rivers, has required us to carefully choose the correct modes of transportation for the distribution of LPG to the market. In general, LPG is obtained from domestic refineries, as well as from imports that are transported using very large gas carriers or VLGC, and then transferred to tankers that will take the LPG to the storage locations. However, tankers are generally unable to enter shallow waters, and they also have a small capacity. Obviously, this will impact on the retail price of LPG when it arrives in the hands of consumers. PT Gas has provided a solution to this challenge by designing an LPG carrier barge. This first-of-a-kind barge represents a new mode for LPG transportation through Indonesian waters and even elsewhere in the world. We are the copyright holders for the design and engineering of the barge, with registered patents in 2009, ID 0022173. It is not only economical and environmentally friendly, the LPG carrier barge also has reliability in terms of cost and safety. Therefore, we will continue to develop the market for the use of the LPG carrier barge as an alternative to existing transportation modes, both for inter-island and overland, including by both road and rail. Currently, we are the sole owner and operator of 5 LPG carrier barges. One of these is Gemilang Utama, which holds the largest capacity of 1,000 metric tons of LPG. It is the largest in providing service in transporting LPG from the PT Pertamina LPG terminal in Batam to our depot in Pontianak, West Kalimantan.
Sekarang adalah waktunya untuk mereformasi armada peran pengangkut LPG dan mengefisiensikan rencana bisnis jangka panjang dengan memanfaatkan keunggulan, daya angkut yang lebih besar, fleksibilitas operasional, penanganan dan perawatan yang mudah, mengutamakan keselamatan dan ramah lingkungan. Semua itu menghasilkan biaya operasi yang jauh lebih rendah.
With extensive experience in design and construction, the following are among the hallmarks of PT Gas and include a flat hull surface tugboat that is owned by PT Gas. The flat surface allows the tugboat to cruise extensively and to reach shallow waters, which also means that it can reach further upstream. PT Gas's mobile transfer unit, a transfer unit that allows for more flexible movement of LPG both for transport or storage from the LPG carrier barge to the storage facility. This is because the mobile transfer unit can be positioned close to the tugboat. By using both the LPG carrier barge and mobile transfer unit, it is possible to double the advantages compared with the existing system. As a partner to PT Pertamina, there are many standards that must be achieved. The working standards of PT Gas have been oriented to meet all health, safety, and environmental norms and standards. Worker safety is a major concern of PT Gas. Full personnel protection equipment is compulsory during all stages of production and is regularly checked and controlled. The systems applied in the process of the transfer of LPG are also done consecutively for the sake of safety and security. A system to anticipate the occurrence of excessive pressure in the tank. This system ensures that the fluid pressure in the tank is always maintained below 12 bar. Technical equipment used in this system includes 12 pieces of pressure safety valves, or PSV. The equipment will open to remove fluid when the pressure reaches 12 bar and will close again when the pressure in the tank has dropped to 10 bar. A system to anticipate when the temperature is too high in the tank. This system ensures that the fluid temperature in the tank does not exceed 40 degrees Celsius. The system is connected to a hydrant system that pours water into the tank when the cooling fluid temperature has reached 40 degrees Celsius. The hydrant pump will also stop working when the temperature has dropped to 35 degrees Celsius. A system to detect the occurrence of tank leakage. This system employs a form of technical equipment that can detect when the hydrocarbon content of the air exceeds 0.2%. The gas detector will furthermore turn on an alarm and automatically shut down the entire operating system. A system to anticipate the occurrence of broken or ruptured hoses used for the LPG distribution. This system operates if there is a large disbursement of the fluid from inside of the tank. In field operations, this can occur if the LPG distribution hose has broken or ruptured. If this happens, then the access valve equipment will close the distribution channel so that the fluid will stop flowing through the hose. A system to prevent overpressure due to the pump. If the distribution system has become clogged, it will lead to an increase of pressure in the pipeline. This will cause the pump to work harder, as well as create the possibility of excess pressure in the pipeline. To anticipate this, a pressure differential valve, or PDV, has been installed that will restore the high-pressure fluid in the tank. A system to shut down the entire operating system in case of an emergency condition. The barge is equipped with an emergency shutdown valve, or ESDV, that can be used in cases of emergency or in hazardous situations. In these situations, the switch will turn off the entire operating system and shut down the barge fluid distribution valve.
Dalam waktu dekat, penggunaan tongkang pengangkut LPG ini akan memainkan peran yang lebih besar sebagai sarana angkutan LPG di perairan. Oleh karenanya, akan lebih banyak pengusaha angkutan dan distribusi LPG di kawasan Asia, Pasifik, bahkan di Afrika yang beralih ke tongkang pengangkut LPG.
PT Gas continues to strive to improve itself in order to provide a seamless service to meet LPG demand. And this is not only in Borneo and Indonesia, but we are also ready to seek to help those of you who need our services wherever you are.